Nĩngatho cia mwanya mwĩroreri wa Kĩheo TV kũnyitanĩra na ithuĩ arĩ Jumaa ya tarĩki 15 tũrĩ gatagatĩ ka mweri ũyũ wa Mũgira Njara. Yũkia ngeithi ciakwa nĩkĩo Gabiru weekend ngĩhoka ũkĩrĩ thayũ. Njĩtagwo Wairimũ wa Wanjirũ, mũtwathĩri na njĩra ya ciĩko etagwo Naomi wa Mathu. Twanjĩrĩirie na ici ciĩgĩmainie na thogora wa maguta kũrĩ mũnini wa mũtongoria wa bũrũri Profesa Kithure Kindiki nĩyumĩrĩtie na gũtetera thirikari kumana na kwambatĩra kwa maguta, akiuga nĩ maretha kĩhonia gĩa thĩna ũyũ na nĩguo kwaura a Kenya mũrigo. Akĩaria arĩmenti ya mũhuro augĩte thogora ũyũ wambatĩrĩte kumana na bara ĩrĩa Iran.
Mnajua ya kwamba kumekuwa na matatizo kidogo kwa sababu ya vita ambayo imekuwa ikiendelea kati ya Marekani na nchi ya Iran kule katika Ghuba la Uajemi, the Persian Gulf. Kumekuwa na shida kubwa duniani ambayo imeletwa na vita. Mahali mafuta ilikuwa inapitia, wale ambao wanapigana katika hizo vita wamefunga. Kwa hivyo bei hata kupata mafuta ni shida, bei ni shida, insurance ni shida, transport cost ya kutoka huko kuja huku ni shida. Lakini nataka niwahakikishie, liwe liwalo, mbele nyuma, kulia kushoto, lazima tuhakikishe ya kwamba tumeleta mikakati mpya ya kudhibiti na kupunguza mambo ya hiyo bei, kwa sababu wananchi wengi wataadhirika tukikubalia hiyo hali ambayo imesababishwa na hiyo vita kuendelea kuongeza bei ya mafuta. Mnajua ya kwamba miezi miwili iliyopita tulitoa ushuru ambaye tulikuwa tunaweka kwa mafuta kutoka 16% VAT tukaleta 8%. Na bado tunaangalia ni nini ingine tunaweza fanya hili hiyo bei vile inaendelea kuongezeka tuidhibiti na tupunguze, ndio mwananchi wa kawaida asiumie kwa sababu ya kupanda kwa nauli na kupanda kwa gharama ya maisha ambayo inatokana na mfumuko wa bei ya mafuta.
Akenya marĩ na ihinda iritũ kumana na nyongerera ya maguta. Na tukiro ciĩgiĩ matereba ciĩgiĩ maguta, matereba na mũingĩ wa Makueni no gũteta rĩu makiuga thogora mwerũ wa ndithũrũ na betũrũ nĩ ũcũngĩrĩirie kana nĩ ũgũcũngĩrĩria sector ĩno kũhotoma na mĩtũrĩre kũritũha kumana na nyongerera ya indo itiganĩte. Akenya marĩ na ihinda iritũ kumana na nyongerera ya maguta, ũndũ ũrĩa ũtarĩ wonekana gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Mathogora maya merũ marĩa marekereirio nĩ rũhonge rwa gũthũrima mahinya marĩa tũhũthagĩra gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ EPRA, betũrũ yongererwo na ciringi 16 harĩ o lita, nayo ndithũrũ yambatĩrĩtio na ciringi 46 harĩ o lita. Kumana na ũũ, matereba na aikari a kaunti ya Makueni nĩ matetete nĩ thogora ũcio, makiuga nĩ ũndũ ũkũrehe kĩhĩnga kĩnene sekta-inĩ ya ũkui, gũkũ athii magĩtigwo matarĩ na wĩki o tiga kũrika mĩhuko-inĩ yao.
Ile ya kustoa huku kwetu ni mambo ya mafuta. Sisi tunaongea mambo ya mafuta, hakuna kitu kingine tunaongea mambo ya. Hii mafuta vile imepanda hata kila mtu ameshangaa. Juzi tulisikia mkubwa wa energy akisema mafuta itateremka. Inaweza teremka na 27 shillings. Sasa tumeshtukia asubuhi mafuta imepanda, na hiyo difference imepanda ni kubwa sana. Na sisi tunashindwa, kwani serikali inatupeleka wapi?
Kũringana na Richard Musyoka, augĩte nyongerera ya maguta nĩ gũcũngĩrĩria thogora wa indo itiganĩte kwambatĩra o rĩrĩ mũtũrĩre ũthiĩte na mbere na kũritũhĩra a Kenya.
Naitwa Richard Mula Musyoka, mkazi wa Makueni County. Nimeamka asubuhi nikapata jambo la kukera sana la kuwatua mioyo. Kupata mafuta imepanda, hususan mafuta ya petroli ambapo imepanda kwa mafuta ya shilingi 16. Hilo litasukuma kupanda kwa gharama ya maisha, kwa sababu vitu vitapanda, kila kitu itapanda. Kwa hivyo ombi langu kwa serikali ya Kenya Kwanza, ishughulikie mwananchi ipasavyo jinsi tulivyoagana wakati walikuwa wanatuomba kura. Kinyume cha hayo, tutasukumwa tu tuweke maandamano, tufinyane mpaka tuwasukume washushe bei ya vitu hususan bei ya mafuta.
Riu ni maikite ritana kuri thirikari nene na ruhonge rwa EPRA kurora thogora ucio, makiuga maundu mathie na mbere oguo ni undu ugucungiriria sekta ino kuhotoma na aria makoragwo mamihokete mone mutu no kugumirwo ni mathina maingi.
Sisi tunalilia serikali na tunaomba serikali iregeshe mafuta mahali ilikuwa, ipunguze bei ndio tujuane na customer wetu. Mimi ni mwendesha wa bodaboda na mambo ya pikipiki, mafuta sasa vile imepanda, customer wetu wanakataa mambo ya pikipiki. Wanasema mafuta imepanda, tukiwaambia bei wanasema hapana. Kwaje tuangalie magari. Na hiyo magari pia nayo imepandishia bei. Sasa tunashindwa serikali inatupeleka wapi?
Tutigane na icio ciĩgiĩ maine na maguta. Atongoria kaunti ya Meru matongoretio ni mũmbunge wa Imenti ya Mũhuro Ndagĩtarĩ Shadrack Mwiti augĩte nĩ maranyita mbaru thirikari ya President William Ruto na mũnini wake Professor Kithure Kindiki. Maugĩte nĩ maretĩkia atĩ President nĩ agacoka itĩna rĩa kerĩ hatarĩ na nganja, makiuga mwena wa Imenti nĩ monete ũthii wa na mbere ũrĩa ũrehetwo nĩ thirikari nene.
Wacha nione tutam. Langu kwanza ni kutoa shukrani kwa serikali ya William Samoei Ruto na Professor Kindiki kwa ile kazi ambayo watufanyia South Imenti. Hii serikali ile kazi wamefanya, tukianza na hii barabara kutoka Nkobo kama Lobiri mpaka Kamorita, kulizotoa mbali baya sana bwana Professor. Hapa South Imenti ni 2 term alafu 4 term hapo nyuma. Pia umetaja maneno ya Metungu airstrip upgraded to an airport. Ni Mount Kenya East tu peke yake haina commercial airport. Tumeomba tayari, tunataka kutusaidia. Nimeomba unisaidie kusukuma Sports Academy ijengwe pale Metungu National Polytechnic. Municipal yetu umesikia tumepatiwa na gavana. Lakini kusema ukweli hatuna maji. Mimi nakimbizana, naomba unisaidie tupate maji kubwa, watu wamejenga chanzo la sanitation.
Uko nyuma ya serikali. Mnajua sababu ni nini? Siku ya leo His Excellency the Deputy President amefika hapa village ya Robiri. Ndio maana watu wa Robiri na the entire Imenti South constituency manyumba zetu zipate stima. Vijana wetu wawe na vinyozi, wasichana wetu wawe na saloon, vijana wetu wafanye welding. Ni fire si fire? Kwa sababu shinda ya wakulima wa maziwa ni 3. Moja, ukosefu wa chakula ya mifugo ama chakula ya ng'ombe. Tuko na factory ya chakula ya ng'ombe. Your Excellency, kupitia serikali ambayo wewe ni naibu wa rais, tunajenga factory ya chakula ya ng'ombe kule Metungu.
William Ruto ametupatia Professor Kindiki kuwa naibu wa rais. Kama kuna mwanaume mwingine anataka kusema amefanya kitu Meru, pia kama ni DCP ile chama ingine ilete machi ya kupingana na Professor Kindiki akiwa naibu wa rais from Meru. Ndio sasa tupime ni deputy president gani anafaa kushikilia ushukani hapa Meru.
Na tumeamua sisi ni tutam. Na ikiwa tutam yenu tena tumeamua gavana wetu Mtumathinkia mwenye amechukua ushukani the other day amefanyia kazi mingi, kwa hivyo tunasimama kidete nyuma ya Mtumathinkia. Kwa hivyo sisi tuko gangare, na ikifika hiyo wakati usiwe na wasiwasi, bila Kadhuri amekwambia na mwenye
Tutiherete hau teti mũmbunge wa Mbũri Mũgambi Ridikiri akiugĩte akunyita thirikari mbaru nigetha akorwo akiona ũthii wa na mbere ni wakinyira andũ ake makiria waki wa barabara itiganĩte. Mũmbunge ũyũ athite na mbere na kuga atĩ wona barabara ya kilomita 7 yathondekwo mwena ũcio andũ nĩ mekuona wĩra na arĩmi matigũkorwo na kĩhinga o gĩothe kĩngĩyumĩria rĩrĩa marathi gũtwara magetha mao thoko-inĩ.
Tampigia magoti president wangu nipate barabara na maji na stima ya watu wangu wa Keirua. Contractor tayari ndiye contractor kwa huko Gitimene, Gitolo, Keirua, Kiracheni. Kwa hivyo hiyo contractor tunaenda kukaa chini tupange vile atakuja kuanzisha hii barabara. Hii ya Mbaria ikienda ikisonga, hiyo ingine ya Tutwa kufika hapa inasonga. Mnataka siasa ama ni maendeleo? Hata mkitaka siasa, mimi ndio master, niko na PhD. Si nimepita mara 2? Si walikuwa hapo tu na wengine wamefika hapa. Wakitaka siasa, mimi niko na PhD. Na kwa sababu mimi nimeona umeanza kuangalia maneno ya maendeleo, ambie wao tulize mbori. This is the time barrier ipate maendeleo kama wengine. Sinahitaji maji. Si milioni 100 nimeleta juzi ya kuanzisha laini ya pili ya Keirua hapa. Milioni 50 ianzishe hiyo ingine kwenda Loire. Sasa hatuna time ya siasa na kupanga wa vijana hapa kutukanana.
Tutigane na icio kuria ruhonge rwa kuramata na guthurima dawa cia kuhuhiriria mimera bururi-ini PCPB ni ruhithukitie dawa itari njega cia muigana wa ciringi milioni 6 iria ikumite bururi-ini wa China, na kurigana na ruhonge ruru rugite dawa icio ni gwati kuri muingi.
Tumepata hiyo container ambayo ilikuwa iko na hiyo dawa ambayo haijaruhusiwa kuingia hapa nchini, na pia yule ambaye analeta alikuwa hana ile import permit. Kwa hivyo kwa sasa hiyo container tumeweza kuikamata, na baada ya hapo uchunguzi utaendelea. Tukifanya mahesabu, mzigo huo ni wa thamani ya kama milioni 6. Tumeshika within customs area, kwa hivyo haijaingia nchini. Yalikuwa anaingiza kimagendo, ile tunaita smuggling, lakini tumeishika within the custom area. Kwa hivyo haja import bado, kwa hivyo haijaingia nchini. Tumeshika within the custom area.
In the initial manifest, they were declared as mosquito chips. Chips. Yes, CHIPS. Now, in what we have here are mosquito sticks. Yeah? And what was also declared in the bill of landing is mosquito coils. These are not coils. These are mosquito chips, sticks. So it was meant to move out without being detected. We are on the look, and we will capture all of them. We started this exercise in 2023, and I can tell you this is a consignment we have been able to seize after many days. Before we started, they were just coming in and out. Because of our control enforcement measures, we've been able to reduce the entry of these products by over 90%. And the few that are infiltrating into Kenya through our porous borders, my officers are all over in the country. You might have heard about them everywhere. Lunga, all the borders in the country, Malindi, Kilifi, Tana River, we are everywhere. So if you are able to get it out, you will not be able to sell. Thank you.
Nigatho njitikiria riu tuoe mweke uyu tuko tugikiria oro hanini ni tuko tugicokereria na ripoti ingi.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku. Guru wa Gel Institute of Advanced Driving toekaine ni kuruta matereva a gikiro kia iguru mari na wigiririki munene barabara-ini. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori, na Class D ni utereva wa gari cia ukui wa muingi. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutaratara mweru wa NTSA, na warikia kothi tugaguteithiriria kwigira na Smart Driving License. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria ndukamairirie gutucerera wabici wabici-inĩ citũ Roysambu nyũmba-inĩ ya Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatano barabara-inĩ nene ya Thika Super Highway kũrigania na TRM, kana ũtũhũrĩre thimũ kũgerera 0703 164 003 0703 164 003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence.
Irikana ni o muthenya wa Friday kwambia thaa 2 cia hwaini nginya thaa 5 cia utuku. Wanake wakundukayo tondu cia wone nyingi etiendaga kaga ya moyo. Wiritu wakundukayo tondu cia wone nyingi etiendaga kaga ya moyo.
Ria Juma ya kinya tukauganira thini wa wathi wa mbeũ njĩthĩ haha tugakorwo tukiarĩrĩria maria maratuhutia indo ta mbeũ njĩthĩ maria mega tugakorwo tukihimbiria namo maria moru tugakorwo tukiruga.
Enjoy your youth, but don't forget you'll be judged by what you did when you are enjoying your youth. By the way, one go kiugete
gakunegereria kirungo kia mbere nikyo the talk table. Haha gakorwo gikunegereria kiugo kia mwathani undu umwe na ndereti mwaki ya muthenya.
Let me tell you, the word says mwathani ni akoragwo hakuhi na ngoro cia ucina miti na ni akoragwo akimahe kirigiriro kieru.
Gakunegereria kirungo gia kire nikyo the freestyle arena. We washia makinya
ni uri imbereire gwaku muthenya ria ndatururire werũ-inĩ nĩnjũĩ njĩra no ĩtware mtoko.
Nawe washia kiriu
baraka za God ziuka lakini zikikam quality. Baraka za God ziuka lakini zikikam ni quality.
Senagira na niye Joyce Wajiko Mwangi, the smiling ambassador of Juma Shehada tha kenda nginya thaa 11 cia hwaĩ-inĩ thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya wathi wa ũnjĩthĩ gũkũ gwa Kĩheo TV kũrĩa tugaga nĩkĩo kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku. Reke tũgĩe karibu.
O muthenya wa kiumia kwambĩrĩria thaa 3 cia rũcinĩ nyitanagira na ithuĩ Kĩheo TV tũgĩkũrehera igongona rĩa kiumia kuma kanitha-inĩ wa Jesus Winner Ministry Roysambu, Nairobi. Kiugo kĩa Ngai na ũtungata wa Roho Mũtheru.
Yes. When favor is upon you, hata security iko juu yako. Security hiyo ni kumaanisha hata mshawi na mugaka hawatakuweza.
Ni o kiumia kwambĩrĩria thaa 3 cia rũcinĩ mũtambo-inĩ wa Kĩheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Bwana Yesu yuko kanene yangu leo amukomete give it to me. I know my Yesu I know my God. Ino ni station ya Kĩheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Nigatho guthii na mbere na gutucagura ntwagicokereria muingi wa kaunti ya Siaya makiugite bajeti ya mwaka wa 2026 na 2027 marenda maundu ta githomo, waki, mai na gwaka barabara gukorwo ati nicirekirirwo ona makiria. Oho maugite marenda gukorwo ati thukuru cia muthingi cia mwena ucio nicikorwo igithondekwo niguo matige gutigwo na thutha kimathomo.
Here to present memorandum on behalf of the education sector. And the first one, we have a request that in Alenga Usonga we don't have a C1 institution except near high school. So we request the boys' school Bande some allocation of funds be pumped into it to upscale its infrastructure so that we have a C1 in Bande. The same because we have Siaya West sub-county, we also request Hawinga and Wave to have resources pumped to scale them up to even a C2 status institutions. Then when it comes to primary and junior, we request first day schools, high schools, we request money be pumped into Siaya Township, Siaya Central and Mahola, especially to balance the enrollment which is rising steadily in town. So infrastructure funds can handle that. In day schools we request Siaya Central Primary and Junior and Siaya Township Primary and Junior to cater for the increasing enrollment, that money for infrastructure be pumped into them, and if possible a story building be constructed so that they can manage the status of the town. We also request that land be purchased and money pumped into that program so that we have a university in town, so that people from work can easily access to further their education. So we need a university right in town in Siaya.
Now looking at the list here, I've not seen water. And what is a big problem, if you want to know, visit the toilets here now, there's no water for washing hands. That means that at the district account headquarters, if there's no water for the toilet, water is a problem. So please let's look at it. But I hope it's one of the projects that are in the main budget. But if it's not, then let's do something about it.
Tukiuma Siaya tuthio kuria Meru ithenya-ini ria kunyita itemi ari uhandi wa miti bilioni 15, uhandi wa miti 6,000 ni utafanitio thukuru-ini wa University wa Meru na inge kuheo muingi, na muingi ni uritio kuhandaga miti magana 300 hari o mwaka niguo kugacirithia maria maturigiceirie.
Hand over to another one. On behalf of the Principal Secretary, State Department for Energy, Mr. Alex Wachira, we came here as State Department for Energy to assist, to make a contribution in tree growing in this university. It is part of our contribution towards the 15 billion tree growing program by His Excellency the President. And we are happy that today we have been able to not only plant trees in this public institution, but we've been able to distribute a total of 6,000 seedlings to the farmers around this area, so that they also take part and contribute to the 15 billion tree growing exercise in the country. I'm also happy that we've been able to share with the members of Meru community our contribution towards the last mile connectivity. As you all agree, the issue of power is very pertinent in revitalizing our economy, and I am happy that in Meru County we have a budget of 2.3 billion, which is meant to connect households in excess of 27,000 households. So ours really is to appeal to the people of Meru. Let us join hands and implement the programs that the government has come up with, because the ultimate beneficiaries of these programs are the citizens themselves.
We do this because we believe in the government agenda of planting 15 billion trees in the coming years. And Kenyans, that translates, because we are about 50 million, that translates to around 300 trees every year. So it is up to you and me to help the government realize this vision of 15 billion trees by you planting not less than 300 trees every year. May God bless you as we continue doing this great work. And once again, you are welcome to Meru University of Science and Technology. We are growing, and right now we are admitting students for September intake. But over the years now, almost 10 years, we are trying to do also what you can call rainwater harvesting. We have built several tanks. We have dug several boreholes. And the last 7.5 years we have been here, we have not had a serious problem.
Nĩ ngatho cia mwanya twĩkĩrĩre gaturumo hau ndĩrona Maureen Wanjiru wa Njeri akĩharĩrĩirie akũrehere tabarĩra ya mĩrimũ na ũrigiti ũkĩnorwo nĩ ndagĩtarĩ njĩtagwo Iruma Wanjiru mũtathiri na njĩra ya ciĩkoma na umi wa mathu gĩa na wĩroreri mwega.